HealthQuest's flagship hospital, the Vassar Brothers Medical Center, has announced plans to construct a 696,000 square foot, 7-story medical pavilion right here on the campus of Vassar Brothers Medical Center. It will transform patient care and the patient family experience. The new state-of-the-art facility will abandon the current smaller semi-private room concept for much larger private rooms.
One of the struggles that we have, at Vassar is that our buildings were built in the 1950s and 1960s, and they were built in a phase where the amount of equipment and technology that we bring to the bedside wasn't really there. And what we are doing now is advancing the level of care in healthcare to the point where we try and bring as much as we can to the bedside. But that's only half the story. The other half of the story is that we want to make sure that family is part of the plan of care. That family is such an important element to healing that we want to make sure that we create an environment in which family feels that they can stay in the room, they can stay and participate in the care, they can have the ability to interact with the patient, interact with the caregivers, but at the same time have a little bit of space for themselves so that they can continue to do the things that they need to do while they're there. So this is a balance of those two elements that creates this building.
At a projected cost of $466 million and an estimated 300 to 400 construction jobs, Vassar Brothers Medical Center will continue to be an economic catalyst to the area.
This investment speaks volumes about the strength of Dutchess County and the future of Dutchess County. You don't invest in healthcare unless the demand is growing, unless there is demand for a greater degree of excellence and a higher quality of care. And Vassar's always been on the cutting edge of that excellent delivery.
We are really creating and extending the existing capabilities. So whether or not you look at our cardiovascular program and our cardiology programs, our neo-intensive care units, our programs in obstetrics and pediatrics, all of those programs really are one and onlys for this region, and what we're doing is extending that by investing more into the capabilities of Vassar. We've launched our interventional neurosurgery program for having a comprehensive stroke and aneurysm center here. That's had great results and is truly changing the level of care that's in this community, and we'll just keep looking at ways to be able to address the community's needs and resources. So people should have the ability to have health care close to where they work or live and not have to travel, whether it's to Albany or to Westchester County or whether to New York City. We want to make sure that high-level, high-quality care is available close to home and work. That's what our responsibility is. And as the largest healthcare provider in this market, we have that responsibility to keep extending.
HealthQuest's new medical center is a 3-year construction project. Groundbreaking is scheduled to begin in the spring of 2016 and the admittance of their first patient in January of 2019. For HVNN.com, I'm Roger Connor.